country, democracy is taking quite a beating. And, I think democracy is going to have to reinvent itself. Otherwise, it is going to become irrelevant, at some point of time. So we aren't the only ones who are in this, in this. Yeah, we're not the only ones in this. And, I see what has happened now in India is we think we hold elections every 5 years, so we're a democratic country. But, democracy is not about holding elections. Yeah. Democracy is about actually, power percolating down to the people. And that's why I say that I think Rajiv Gandhi was quite a visionary, because I forgot to include one of his major reforms was Panchayati Raj.
Yes.
Which was, kind of, transferring power back to the panchayats. And, but unfortunately, he didn't have the political skills to see all his visions through, to see his reforms through. And I think, you have to decentralize. We have centralized, both the BJP and the Congress are, basically, they believe in a unitarian system. They're kind of, they want to centralize power in Delhi, in the hands of, the central government, rather than open it up. I think liberalization was a great liberator, because, suddenly you found that states were getting more empowered. They were getting more control over their finances. Power was shifting from Delhi to the states, and state capitals were being able to seek foreign investment themselves rather than having to route it, through Delhi. And I think it was a huge, huge shift that